Alrighty, so hello everybody. It is a wonderful, hot, humid Thursday. I think it's Thursday. It's a Thursday. I had this planned and I totally botched it on midday. Yes, I have to say it is Thursday. Yes, it is hot, humid. You can hear the cicadas going on. It is very humid in the city today. Me and Missy are going over to get some food, and then she's going to the park. We're going to the park. Right, Miss? We're going to the park today? Yes, I guess that means a yes, I guess. So that's that, and we are going to, I don't know, see what happens from there. Other than that, Missy's blowing bubbles with her Kirby bubblegum. I think it's going to rain. We're over at the park. The wind's starting to pick up. The sky looks very not good, and so I think it's going to start to rain sometime soon. So we're hitting parks. It's starting to rain a little bit now. Let's see, if you want to go in the rain, go over here. Go, Miss. Yeah, go. It's raining a little bit. We're kind of stuck in it, I think. I don't know if we're going to be... Hopefully we stop a little bit. I think we're on, like, literally on the edge of the storm, but whatever's over there, I don't know if that's coming this way. If it is, then we're in trouble. If not, then we're going to have interesting things.
Yeah, this is going to be trouble.
I just don't know if we can make it to... Here, Pear, keep your hat in. Yeah. I think we're going to call in some cavalry. Seem to have dodged the rain a little bit. It's just rained. It literally just stopped after the last clip. It literally just stopped, and it's kind of cloudy, but a little bit of clouds. There's a lot of cloud over there, so it seems to be heading east, and we didn't seem to get like any kind of rain whatsoever. So that's the thing. Poo. Rain is good.